Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear students and dear learners, once again, welcome to today's lecture. And our today's lecture number is 5A. So let's start. So our today's competency is oral communication. It's lecture number 5A. This is our SLO. The SLO is saying adapt speech, non-verbal gestures, and movement to meet an increasing range of situations. So, adapt speech, non-verbal gestures, and movement. These are the main parts of this essay. Dear learners, now I hope you have dissect with me the SLO, and now you are better able to understand what the SLO is about. Now, move to the next stage and try to understand this lecture. Okay. Yes, this is vertical linkage. This SLO was in English 6, grade 6. Now, brainstorming. Do you speak the same way with your friends, parents, and teachers? Very critical question. Do we speak in the same tone, in the same wording with our friends, parents, and teachers? The answer definitely no. No. As the situation change, we change the word as well. How does your tone or movement change in different situations? Yes, definitely we change all these things according to the changing of the situation. So, dear learners, through brainstorming statement and connecting with the topic, now move to the real part of the lecture and try to understand it. Yes. So, understanding role play, speech, gestures, and movement. Yes, look at this. First of all, let's have an overview of role play. Role play means acting like a character in a story, classroom, or situation. Yeah, yes, definitely. We speak, act, and move the way the teachers would. Yes, in the classroom. And these are the points in the role play to pretend to be someone else. Yes, we are someone else, but we have to pretend on the place of that particular character and then to copy voice, feelings, and action. Yes, we have to copy the voice, feelings, and actions of that character too. We are pretending to to help practice speaking. Yes, role play also helps us in practice speaking. So why it changes role play? Why we have to change the role play? Different characters act differently. Our teacher speaks calmly, our god speaks firmly. Yes, and a baby speaks softly. So role play changes according to the situation. So, dear learners, this is role play. Actually, role play is that term which is used in most probably in classrooms during our study hours. When we read a story, we try to imitate, we try to copy the character in which story the has come. So it is very useful activity we do in the classroom. For this purpose, we have to clear our concept about the role play. Now, move to the next slide. What is speech? You know very well. Speech means the words we say and how we say them. The word we say and how we say them. Sometimes we speak softly. Yes, definitely. Sometimes we speak loudly. Our tone changes when we feel happy, sad, and angry. We speak differently in different places. With friends, friendly manner. With teachers, respectfully. So, this is the speech, and these are the reasons of using this speech. So, it is very clear speech is a way in which we utter or speak out words, and words always occur or come out of the mouth according to the situation. They changes. These words change according to the situation. Now, move to the next slide. Non-verbal gestures. Non-verbal gestures are actions we do without speaking to show feelings or meanings. Yes, my dear learners, it is very clear. Gestures mean you want to show your feelings through your expressions. This is called gestures. Now, like, look at this: smiling, nodding the head. Yes, nodding the head like this, waving, raising eyebrows. These actions help others understand us even when we do not use words. Yes, it is very good activity. This is very good activity for explaining or conveying our emotions without using words. Now, move to the next slide. Yes, movement is also very important part of communication or speaking activity. Movement means how we move our body when we speak. Yes, walking slowly or quickly, standing straight or bending, using hands to show ideas. Movement helps make our speech or point clearer and shows our feelings clearly. For this purpose, movements are used. So now you are very much clear why we use movements, right? To make our communication, our speaking ability clear and effective. So move to the next slide. Why do speech, gestures, and movement change? It is very clear, very obvious. We change how we speak and move because every situation is different. Talking to teacher, we polite, calm voice, playing with friends, loud, happy voice. So it is very much clear all these things change. All these things change with the changing situations. Now move to the next slide. There are simulations for you people to enhance your concept further. Worksheets are there and our resources are also there. PPTs along with worksheets, skill sheets, lesson plans, and question banks for you people. Now, dear learners, at the end, I would say thank you so much. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.